So, you keep losing your mind. The 3D manages to disturb your focus, and you often find yourself worried. Is this even working? Am I just making a mistake? If that's you, I have the cure for this problem. You see, our body, mind, feelings, and senses are all tools designed to experience the 3D. Because of that, they naturally pay attention to the 3D, not your assumption. You can try to consciously bring them back to your state of wish fulfilled, but they have a habit of bouncing back to their natural duties. That isn't even the problem. The problem is that you take these things, these 3D events, and use them as evidence of your failure. That is not the case at all. You are not failing. In fact, you cannot fail, and I will explain why very shortly. First, I want to remind you that the 3D is just a reflection. You are the source of that reflection. Do not look at the mirror and panic if the image doesn't look good. Yet, if you change the state of the source, the reflection has no choice but to follow. It's literally that simple. To kill doubt once and for all, you need to understand two incredible sub laws of the law of assumption. Law number one, the law of unity. There is no separation, only unity. Law number one says that there is no distance between you and your desire. If you can conceive it in your imagination, it is already one with you. The idea that you are here and your desire is over there is a 3D illusion. In the 4D, you and the desire are the same thing. Law number two, the law of now. There is no past and no future. There is only now. The desire isn't something that was yours in the past, and it isn't something that is going to be yours in the future. It is yours right now. As long as you comply with these two laws in the inner world, your imagination, also known as the 4D, you will eventually see the desire in the reflection we call reality. This is exactly why wealthy people go broke or why people lose an SP after a while. It's because they start pushing those things away in their inner state. The 3D simply obeys the inner shift and makes the loss happen. If you are in that situation, you can always correct it. And if you are someone desiring an amount of money that you have never possessed, or a partner you have never met or dated, you can get those too. Everything changes the moment you stop trying to correct the reflection and start obeying to the laws of unity and the law of now.